Here is an easy DIY recipe for the best potting mix soil preparation for home gardening that helps plants grow faster and produce more flowers and fruits. It is also the best seed starter mix. We will show you 2 recipes for making potting mix. One is the universal potting mix, which can be used to grow any plant, and the other one is a lightweight potting mix, ideal for terrace gardening and also a very good seed starting mix. Let's start with the universal potting mix. Good quality garden soil about 40%. By saying good quality, it should not have large stones or other large-sized debris in it. Cocoa peat or peat moss about 30%. If you do not have this, you can use about 10 to 20% river sand. Adding more sand may result in too fast drainage, and this is useful for growing succulents and cacti. 20 to 30% compost, like decomposed cow dung powder or vermicompost or leaf compost or a mixture of these ingredients. These first 3 ingredients should be the minimum for your plants. You can further fortify this with 5% of any of these, or a combination of these. Bone meal powder for flowering and fruiting, plus neem cake or any oil cake powder for antimicrobial and antifungal effect for protection against root rot. Then you can optionally add trichoderma or pseudomonas powder and also some beneficial fungi called mycorrhizae. Now, the lightweight potting mix, suitable for rooftop gardening and also as a great seed starting potting mix. In this formula, we do not use garden soil. Cocoa peat or peat moss about 50%. Compost, like decomposed cow dung powder or vermicompost about 30%. Perlite or vermiculite about 20%. You can optionally add about 5% bone meal, neem cake powder, and mycorrhizae as discussed earlier. Please give a thumbs up to the video. Share the video with your gardening friends and comment below with your feedback and queries. Consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. Happy gardening!